Next is the CARTMAN 148-piece toolset, a compact, wallet-friendly toolkit designed specifically for general household tasks and automotive basics. The set lists carbon steel tools with chrome plating, a 148-piece assortment, sockets, wrenches, pliers, screwdrivers, hammer, tape measure, etc., and a mold plastic storage case that's lightweight and easy to store. Retail listings for the CARTMAN kit commonly show it as an economical pick for new homeowners or renters who need a single kit to handle everything from hanging pictures to simple car maintenance. The kit's weight and size make it friendly for apartment living where storing a big toolbox is a pain. On the user side, this is the kind of kit that reviewers praise for being surprisingly complete at the price point. Typical comments: the set saved you a trip to the hardware store, had more than enough bits for furniture assembly, and included convenient extras that you otherwise forget to buy, like a small level or stubby screwdrivers. Negative notes mostly come from folks who expected workshop-grade durability. They report that if you put these tools under heavy or continuous load, you'll feel the difference versus mid-range Pro Tools. But for 95% of N-of-1 household jobs, like plumbing adjustments, installing curtain rods, swapping a hinge, this kit gets the job done and keeps your garage tidy. Pros: low price, surprisingly complete list, compact case. Cons: not designed for sustained workshop use or high torque. If you're a casual DIYer wanting a single kit that covers most bases, CARTMAN is a great affordable option. We share by links in description box.